In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo in Framer quickly and easily, even if you're brand new to the platform. If you're building a website in Framer and want to add your company logo, personal brand mark, or a simple image header, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, website design tips, and no-code guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, you'll need to add an image element to the page. To do that, click the plus button, also known as Insert. This is where Framer keeps all of your elements, components, and design blocks. After clicking Insert, look for Image in the menu and select it. This will let you place an image into your design. Now drag the image element onto the page where you want your logo to appear. You can place it in the header, navigation bar, hero section, or anywhere else that fits your layout. Once it's on the page, click to select the image so you can edit its settings in the right-hand panel. With the image selected, go to the right side of the screen and click Upload. Framer will open your file picker, and from there, you can choose your logo file from your computer. Make sure you upload the correct version of your logo, whether that's a PNG, SVG, or another image format that works best for your brand. After the logo uploads, Framer will place it into the image frame. At this point, you may need to resize it so it looks clean and balanced on the page. You can adjust the width and height, or simply drag the corners depending on how your Framer layout is set up. If your logo looks too large, reduce the size until it feels proportional to the rest of the design. If it looks too small, scale it up until it becomes clearly visible. Next, position the logo exactly where you want it. If it's for a website header, align it with your navigation links. If it's for a landing page, make sure it sits naturally within the layout. The goal is to make the logo feel like part of the design, not something randomly placed on top of it. Once the logo is positioned properly, take a moment to review how it looks in the editor. Check the spacing around it, the alignment, and how it fits with the rest of the page elements. If needed, make small adjustments so everything looks polished and professional. Now the next step is very important. Click Preview to test the page and see how the logo appears in the live view. This helps you confirm that the logo is displaying correctly and that the size, placement, and spacing all look good outside the editor. Sometimes a design can look perfect in edit mode but slightly off in preview, so always check this before publishing. If everything looks good in preview, you're ready for the final step. Click Publish to apply the changes to your live Framer site. Once published, your logo will be visible to visitors exactly where you placed it. And that's it. You've successfully added a logo in Framer. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to click. Open your project, insert an image, upload your logo, resize it, preview it, and then publish your site. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what Framer tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.